Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here, chances are you are deciding between Elementor and Bricks for your next website project. Let's break it down, fast and simple, so you can make the best choice. First up, Elementor. It's one of the most popular page builders out there. Why? Ease of use. You get a drag and drop editor, a huge library of widgets and tons of third-party integrations, plus it's beginner friendly, perfect for anyone who's just starting out. But the downside, performance can be a bit slower, especially on larger sites, and it relies heavily on shortcuts. Now Bricks is newer, but it's quickly gaining traction. It's built with speed in mind, linear code, no shortcuts, and optimized for performance right out of the box. Advanced users love its dynamic content, capabilities, and customization options, but it's got a steeper learning curve, and the widget library isn't as extensive as Elementor's yet. So, which one is for you? Go with Elementor if you need something intuitive with a massive ecosystem of add ons. Choose Bricks if speed, clean code, and long-term scalability are your priorities. That's a quick comparison of Elementor versus Bricks. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.